In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Airbnb door. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your host's directions and how to use the most common type of lock you'll encounter so you can head out with confidence. Start by checking your Airbnb instructions. Every property is a little different, and hosts are required to provide the exact steps for their place. Open your reservation in Airbnb, then go to the Trips tab and tap Check-in Instructions. That's where you'll see details tailored to that listing, including codes, special buttons to press, or any quirks the door may have. These instructions usually appear about 48 hours before your check-in time. If your trip is still a few days away, you might not see them yet, so don't worry. Once they're available, follow the host's directions exactly. Those steps always take priority. Now, for the most common setup you'll see, a smart lock or keypad. While the brand can vary, the process is mostly the same. First, make sure the door is fully closed. Pull or push it all the way until you feel the latch catch. If the door isn't completely shut, the lock can't engage, and you'll either get an error tone or nothing will happen at all. Next, either enter your code or press the lock button. If you have a keypad, type in the access code the host provided in the app. Some keypads expect you to press a checkmark or a lock icon after entering the digits, so glance at the keypad for any on-screen cues or symbols. If there's a dedicated lock button on the keypad, you can simply press that to lock the door when you're leaving. Keep in mind, your code usually works only during your stay, generally from check-in time through checkout, so it won't function outside that window. Finally, wait for confirmation. Most smart locks will make a clicking or whirring sound as the bolt turns. You may also see a light flash. Green or blue typically means it locked successfully. If you hear a long error tone or see a red indicator, the door might not be fully closed or the keypad expects an additional confirmation key. Gently close the door again, re-enter the code if needed, and try once more. Avoid forcing the handle while the lock is engaging. Let the mechanism finish first. If anything you see on the door differs from what I've described, use the exact steps in your check-in instructions. And if you still run into issues, reach out to your host through the Airbnb app for guidance. That's it. Simple, secure, and stress-free.